Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at a quicker and better way to factorize 27x squared minus 123x plus 70. So what makes this special is we have large numbers to deal with. Meanwhile, the method we are going to use is still going to be applicable to small numbers, especially if the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So let's go. I have 27x squared minus 123x plus 70. By implication, since the coefficient of x squared is not 1, we have it here as 27. So I'm supposed to pick this 27, multiply it by 70, then start looking for the factors of the product that sum up to give negative 123, which is the coefficient of x here. So I am not going to do that because if I multiply 27 and 70, it will be too large for me to start looking for the factors of the product that will give me negative 123. So what I will do is to keep this 27 and 70. Since 27 and 70 will sum up to give us a 97, and the minus 27 minus 70 will still not give us negative 123. So I'm going to break down this in such a way that I'm going to have two numbers at the end of the day whose sum will be negative 123. So let's start with dividing 27 by either 3 or 9. So let me start with 3. 27 is going to be divided by 3. Then we now multiply 70 by 3 to balance up the equation. So 27 divided by 3 gives 9, and also 70 times 3 gives 210. So I'm going to have 9 and 210. So if I sum up this now, I am going to have 219, which is still far away from 123. So I don't want to go ahead to divide this one by 3 and multiply by 3 here again. I can look from the other side. If I divide this one by 2, so let me divide 210 by 2 and then multiply 9 by 2. So 9 times 2 gives 18, and 210 divided by 2 gives 105. So I'm going to have 18 and 105. 18 plus 105, the sum will give us 123. Then I can now start looking for how to get negative 123. If I attach negative 18 to negative 105, their product will still give us the product of 27 and 70. So the actual factors we are looking for are negative 18 and negative 105, because negative 18 plus negative 105 will give us negative 123. Then it is not going to stop here. Since the coefficient of x squared is 27, I will then go further to say 27 divided by negative 18. So 27 divided by negative 18. 9 can divide 27 and 18, so that I will now be left with 3 over negative 2, since negative 18 divided by 9 gives negative 2. This is going to form the first part of our factor. The first part of our factor is this. What I will do here now is I will attach x to 3, then it becomes 3x, then minus 2, which will form the first factor. So we have our bracket. Having our bracket here, we said this 3, which is the numerator here, times x, I'm going to have it as what? 3x, then minus 2, which gives the first factor of the factorization of 27x squared minus 123x plus 70. Then to get the second factor, I still pick the coefficient of x squared, which is 27. Then I divide it by negative 105. So 27 over negative 105. Here 3 can divide. 3 can divide, yes. So we're going to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So that we'll now have 9 over negative 35. So we have 9 over negative 35. This is going to form the second part of the factor of the quadratic expression. So again, I introduce my brackets. So this 9 will be multiplied by x, and it's going to give us 9x, which will form first part of the second bracket, and the denominator, which is negative 35, will be attached to give us the two factors of 27x squared minus 123x plus 70. To verify this, you need to expand this. If you expand this, you get back the original expression. That is the quicker and better way of factorizing quadratic expression, either with small numbers or large numbers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and share this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.